Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education, Commerce Theory part for the first year's English medium. And today's chapter we are dealing with that the formation of a company part 1. This is the first session of this chapter. In this chapter we are going to study how a company will take the formation, how the company, whether the private company or the government company, how it will start its business with the with receiving the certificates of incorporation or the certificates of commencement. We will going to discuss it in detail in this chapter. So the first thing is the formation of the company, how the companies are formed. See, every company has to be formed according to the Indian Companies Act 2013. So every company should have to be get registered and it has to fulfill the documents according to the Act 2013 of the Indian Companies. So the company is brought into existence by the process of incorporation. What's the meaning of incorporation? Incorporation means getting legally approved in the eyes of the law, getting legal approval. Okay, getting legal approval in the eyes of the law, that is considered as incorporation, legal approval. Okay, there are many legal steps. There are many legal steps to complete it. So there are many legal steps to be completed to get the certificate of incorporation from the registrar. Okay, it is not a game of children. Okay, it is very serious thing that is connected with the law, so it is very legal, so it required much time and it is very expensive. This process is known as formation of a company. So what's the process? Number of steps are there in the formation of the company. So those steps we are going to discuss now. In detail we are going to discuss. Yes. So the formation of a company means the company should have to get the certificate of incorporation and it has to fulfill the documents and the records whatever necessary during the time of registration. It have to submit it to the registrar. If the registrar satisfy those things, then he will issue the certificate of incorporation for the private company. And for the government company, as we have discussed in our previous sessions, for the public company, two certificates are required. One is certificate of incorporation and another one is commencement of business certificate. Commencement of business certificate is needed for the public company. So let us see the steps in the formation of the company, whatever the steps are involved in the formation of a company. See, steps in the formation of a company, we have 4 steps and these 4 steps we are going to study in detail. Each and every step we are going to study in detail, what is what. Okay, so first step is formation. First step is promotion. First step is promotion. Next one, incorporation or registration. Incorporation or registration, both are same. If you write incorporation, it is also correct. If you write registration, it is also correct, because these two are legally valid in the eyes of the law. So that's why these two are valid. If you write incorporation of the company, you will get full marks. If you write the registration of the company, then also you will get the full marks. No marks cutting will be here. Capital subscription. Capital subscription means how they will get the capital, how they will rise the finance. Okay, what are the sources they used? We will study that also. Next, commencement of business. Commencement of business, it is one type of certificate that is needed for the public companies. Along with the certificate of incorporation, they also need the commencement of business certificate also in case of public companies, especially for public companies. So promotion, incorporation or registration, capital subscription and the commencement of business. This question may be asked for 5 marks. Okay, it may be asked for 5 marks. So don't waste the time as usual. So promotion, the first step is promotion. What it means? Let us see what the promotion means. It involves dreaming of a business opportunity. It is dreaming. Dreaming means seeing the dream, how the business should be. Whatever the opportunities are there for the business in the external environment. See, for every business there is certain opportunities and certain threats. Okay, threats means bayalu. So for every business, certain things will become as a strength and certain things will become as a weaknesses. Yes, so this will be generally happen for every business. So when we start a business, we have to focus on three things. We have to know our strength, we have to know our weaknesses, we have to know our opportunities, and we have to know threats also. Okay, SWOT means strength, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Every business have these four. Okay, the business should have to, first only they have to know what is their strength, what is their weakness, how many opportunities are there for them, and what is the threat for their business. They have to consider in the first stage of promotion. So they have to consider one idea of the business, okay, and take necessary steps to form a company. And necessary steps for the formation of company, whatever the steps are required, that necessary steps should have to be taken for the formation of the company, so that the practical shape can be given in exploring the identified business opportunity. By taking the appropriate steps for the formation of the company, we can give the particular shape to the company. Okay, particular shape to the company. So particular form to the company. So first stage, promotion means first we have to know what is the business we want to do, how many whatever the weaknesses we have, what is our most strength thing, and also afterwards who is the competitors, how many competitors are there in the market, so how we can stand, or our business will be totally collapse within a few days. We have to consider these all things in the stage of promotion. Then afterwards, is everything is okay and everything is going on well, then we can proceed for the second step, that is incorporation, registration of the company. Okay, the incorporation refers to the formation of a legal and authorized corporation or company, legally getting approval. Okay, now in the stage of incorporation, it will get the legal approval from the registrar that this business is correct. If you are doing smuggling of drugs, smuggling of small children, this is not the legal business. The registrar will not give any kind of certificate of incorporation. He will call 100 and send to the place where they deserve. So based on the business formation, if it is legal, then only they will get a certificate of incorporation. The incorporation company is legally registered. Okay, the company which is getting certificate of incorporation, that is legally registered as per the Indian Company Act 2013. It means that that company has submitted all the documents. Okay, the company has filled all the forms which are necessary for the formation of a company. An incorporation company get corporate identity number. So the company which is registered, that company will get CIN number, means corporate identification number. How we have the PIN number for the ATM card, in the same way these companies which get the certificate of incorporation, they will get one identify number. That number is known as corporate identify number, code number they will get. Okay, next, from the register of the company, from where they will get that number? From the registrars of the company. Registrar who will do the registration of the companies every day, from him they will receive the corporate identify number, CIN. PIN means personal identification number, that is for ATM card. This is corporate identity number. This is for company issued by the registrar. Okay, next, capital subscription. Capital subscription means how to raise the capital, how to pool the capital, how to bring the capital. A public company is allotted to raise fund from the public. Yes, the public company will raise the fund from the public by issuing shares or debentures. Shares means, you know, small units of capital, small denominations. The capital is divided into small denominations. And debentures means it is also a type of security which we will study in our upcoming sessions in detail. Okay, but before that it has to issue prospectus for the public. Prospectus means what? Prospectus means what? Means the complete details of the company, name of the company, certificate of incorporation, commencement of business, all the certificates whatever necessary, name of the directors, number of members, minimum members, maximum members, address of the company, address of the branches, everything will be there in the prospectus. We will study about the prospectus, memorandum of association, article of association, everything in the upcoming chapters. Okay, in detail we will go for the discussion in the upcoming chapters. To subscribe the capital, to get the capital, they have to give complete information about their company to the public. Then only the public come forward and they will start purchasing the shares and debentures of that particular company. Next, commencement of the business. This is only for the public company, not for the private company. A public company can commence the business. Commence means what, ma? Simply we can say it as a start. Okay. A public company can start business only after obtaining certificate of commencement of business. What? Certificate of commencement of business. After receiving these only the company, the public company can start its business, but the private company can start the business after receiving incorporation, means certificate of incorporation. But the private company required two certificates. One is certificate of incorporation, another one is certificate of commencement of business. These two are required for the public company. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, ma? So this is about the steps in the formation of the company. In the next session we are going to discuss about the promotion. What are the steps in the promotion, types of the promoters, who is called as a promoter. We are going to study each and everything in detail. Okay, in the next session we will meet with the topic of the promoter. Okay, yeah.